Folks, another toy hauler from Raptor by Keystone RV. This, what is behind me, is a brand new floor plan, is the 2026 Keystone Raptor 443. The first thing you want to need to look at it, and the unit is behind me from the outside, is a full body paint. As you see, it has the white full body paint with the gray, and it's a matte colors. As you see, a lot of new cars now, a lot of new things coming with the matte colors, and that's the one hat. As you see from the front, gel coated cap, nice paint system on it, with Kurtz helix, which means shock and springs on the unit. Coming over down here, this toy hauler has 4 awnings, and they have the Gerard 4 power awning with no hardware, 3 on this side and 1 in the back. All the Raptor, they come with a square window with a foil reflection inside the shade. And by the way, the shade is built in inside the window. Majority of this Raptors we have, they come with sound systems, and I'll open it and I'll show it to you. While we're opening that, we have 2 big outdoor speakers, 50-inch smart TV, and then going over here, we have another entry door. We have the air compressor system, as you see on this unit, 2-gallon air compressor. Now, all the Raptors, they have electric door, as you see. So this zero gravity, number 1, and then also electric. So you don't have, when you open it, does not come on your, as you push a switch, bring it down and that. In the back of this unit, you will see a power awning, the 4th one with the backup camera. So the unit come with the 3 camera system and 3 camera in the unit. You have outside ladders, you see here. As well, we have fuel stations with 2 tank. We have the tank for the unleaded one, that's for generator. This additional tank, again, you could put anything. Some people, I've seen them, they put some diesel in it. Some people, they put a high octane for their race car or their quad. Here's the fuel pump. Another advantage on the Raptors, the power cord is electric, nothing manual, so you don't have to carry that big cord on your back. This is the 2 slide here. You have a full docking station here, where you could get everything through here. Now, one advantage on the Raptors is they have electric gate, so when you push these switches, you see, so the black water and the gray water tank, it's electric valve. So now it's telling you red, that's mean the valve is open. And if you want to close it, you just push the switches, and now these are closed. So black, again, because this has 2 bathrooms, so it has 2 black tank, 2 gray water tank, and 1 big fresh water tank. So there's 5 tanks. And again, everything controller there. As you see, you have a water filtration system with 1 pass-through storage. Notice the storage has the nice rubber, and it's 1 piece, and it's go through all the way. 2 propane tank, 7-gallon in each side, as you see. This is the third, one of the 3rd cameras. There's 3, 1 in the back, 1 right, left. And this is the digital code for the auto leveling. So you push the code 5241, and okay. And you could do extend, retract, and you could do play with it the way you want it. Coming from here, so you have, this is the light. There's a beautiful lighting in the front, but it's very hard to show you that with the sun, but it's really nice when you turn it at night. Over here, so we have the, as you see, the 2000 watt inverter compartment right there. The battery disconnect switch, as well the solar controller. Over here, you will see the 5500 watt flex power generators. The generator will run everything, and again, all these units, they're slam luggage door. Over here, you will see the 2 lithium battery, and they're Dragonfly with the heat elements, and there's 2 of them. Each one is 100 amps, so you have 200 amp lithium battery system. All the Raptor with the 440i automatically is gonna come with 2 220 solar panels on the roof, a 2000 watt inverter, and 2 lithium Dragonfly battery. That's all on my Raptor at Best RV Center. That's how they come. Back to that storage. As you see, this has the amp And again, if I turn the stereo, really will disturb everybody. It has a beautiful stereo with the amp and its controllers and the speakers right there. And there's also another stereo separate than this one. This stereo is just strictly for the outside, but there's another stereo as well inside of the unit. I'm so anxious to show you the 443 Raptor from inside for 3 reasons. Number one, and again, maybe I repeat it, it's the 2 full bathroom. Number 2, 13.6 garage. And number 3 is the lounge seating area. Let's walk from the garage and we go inside. As you see, as soon as I walk in the garage, typical Raptors garages, as you see, has a lot of lighting. So there's 2 light over here. All the Raptor garages come with electric beds, so you have a big electric on the top with a 2 sofa. Let me just close this. And then there's a 2 sofa crossing each other with a cup holder. And by the way, yes, it does come with a table in between, sitting underneath the bed. Come with the carpet kit. So these things you do when you settle down on your spot, you put the carpet so the kids, they don't walk on those tied down and it's cold in their feet in the morning. So you have a nice carpet kit rolling over here. 3-season door, that's a big deal. Again, it's open. It's both way. You have a screen as well, the glass, so the bugs will not come in. You have a TV for the kids. This unit comes with 4 TVs, 1 in the garage, 1 in the living, 1 in the bedroom, and 1 outside. So there's a loft bed, and you can see the mattress of the loft bed right there. Also storage. So in reality, this garage sleep 5 people. 2 in this one here at the bottom, 2 in the top, and 1 in the top. So I could sleep 5 people in this garage, no question asked. Now, before we show you this, the most important thing, the tie down, they're 5,000 pound tie down. They are welded to the frame of the unit, and there's total 9 of them. 3, 3, 3. This is a full bathroom. So I want to show you, I'm standing in the bathroom number 2. Let me push this so you can see it. And then you can see a nice shower head, faucet, big roomy height, nice medicine cabinet. Oh, that's the remote control for the second TV, for TV. Sink covers with a faucet and a porcelain toilet. So you could see this is super complete bathroom. And that's the beauty about it. The kids, they don't need to go through this door. If your kids, your family members, guests, whatever's co-worker, whatever you want to call them, your friends, they don't need to go through this door. Why? Because they could sleep, go do their business, take a shower, get ready, and let's hit the dunes. Now, we're going to the living area. Wow, that speaks for itself. Now, no wonder why people, they like the 443. People, they like the 443 is for this J lounge. And the separations, living area, dining area, kitchen area. So you're not cooking in the middle of your living area. So as you see, this unit comes with theater seating and they're electric. There's 1, 2 electric and this theater seating also. This theater seating, you remove it down here when you close the slide. Very easy, sitting on wheels. There's no issue. Beautiful. So I'm sitting here enjoying the conversation with my friend, and beautiful smart TV with the sound bars and a fireplace. It's an amazing unit. Ladies, I've seen some ladies, they just like to just chill out like that, whatever you want. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people sit here. There's 2 people, they sit on this table. This dining table is extend, by the way, as you see, and come with additional 2 chairs. They sit next to folding chairs. They're underneath the bed. So you could sit 4 people here and 5 here, total 9. So yeah, that's why people, they like this is the J Lounge. It's kind of starting really hot because a lot of toy haulers in the market, they just used to have just 1 row of theater seating, no separation, and you sitting, eating, drinking in the middle of the living area. Versus here is totally separated. Going to the kitchen is so amazing. They give you a nice convection microwave as well. You have a big residential oven. Again, you could hold 3.7 and will fit a turkey, no question asked. four burner range, residential look with the window. There's a light and a fan on that convection microwave. This is residential convection microwave. So plenty cabinets, and I love this solid doors. They make it so easy. It's very open in the side, so you could easy to get your cereals, cans, whatever you are cooking, easy to get to. Again, I mean, there's too many cabinets. I don't know which one you want me to open, but I'm just trying to give an idea. There's plenty tinsel doors. And by the way, when you buy Raptors, you're gonna get 2 Raptor drink glasses with us, from Raptors. Again, more goodies for you. It's all the samples of the paints, more storage, and then a place for trash can. Again, I'm trying to go quick as much I can. You have the water filtrations system on the unit. You have the tire monitoring on the unit. 2 trash can, one for recycling, one for waste, as well place area to put your chemical cleaning. One big piece country sink, and with the rice faucet, and the fridge to speak for itself. Voila! Wow, big 20-foot cubic foot refrigerator with the ice maker, 2-door fridge, 2-door freezer, and pantry. Ladies, don't worry, because this is what you need, and you got it right here. So this unit come with sliding pantry doors, and again, you got a plenty room for your pantry. Coming over here, additional. Oh, sorry, apologize. It's me. 2 pantry. So you have one here. Let me open them one more time. Another one here. So 2 pantry. I don't know what you want to store. There's a lot to store. Here's your subwoofer. Everybody asks me, where's my sub for my sound bar? It's right there. Now we're gonna go to the bedroom. As you see, beautiful king size bed with a backsplash, not a backsplash, headboard with LED light, nice reading lights. You could turn them on from here. Beautiful, a 4th TV, smart TV facing the king size bed. I believe, let me see, this one open. Yeah, open, I know. You put your jewelries. And then you have a place for washer and dryers, plenty of room, multi-storage. And you have LED lights here, I know that. And yes, there's a switch. Just a second, I tell you what it is. The switch. And you can see how bright it is. So, and then again, this is a 3rd AC unit. So you have 1 AC for the bedroom, 1 AC in the living, 1 AC in the garage. And we're gonna go to the bathroom. This is bathroom number 1. This is the 2nd bathroom. So you have a Keystone mirrors with LED light, a sink. Again, a lot of door, porcelain toilets, and then those linen doors for you. That's neat. And you have the nice showers, 1, 2, 3, 4, with a seat, 1 piece, and a glass. So 443 is worth to come and look at it, because it has a lot of stuff the other competitor they don't. But I really like the separation. People sitting here, they could watch TVs. People sitting in the kitchen, dining, everybody could watch it, enjoy this toy haulers. Come to Best RV, because we get the price. As you guys, know, no one could come close to us, and we'll make it happen for you with no hidden fees. Coming in.